Hey, how's it going? So I have another box, more like a pack, I should say, of 2018 Historic Autographs Originals, 1930s, Series 2. Ripped two of these about a week ago. Got some sweet cards. Actually, I should probably have those out there. Here's the checklist again. Should be a really quick video. There's only one card per pack, and in each card is an encapsulated 1930s card with a cut auto of that player. So you can see it in there. Nope, too dark. Alright, well, let's just see who it is. Hugh Crits. Get that in the picture there. It's pretty cool. 5 of 16. So there's his auto. Hugh Crits. There's the card in there. It's kind of moving around. Doesn't seem to want to move anymore, but it's pretty sick. So there you go. There's another pack. Another cut auto and card. It's pretty cool. 1930 Goody. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Really quick video. Catch y'all later. Peace.